Pull his feathers. See the membrane?
Mm-hmm.
I'm working on it, little guy. He is not... And if I wouldn't have saved his life, he probably would have died.
Oh, he ain't out of there yet.
Because he's upside down, and they die.
I don't see how they can fit in there.
I know, Bobby. What, Paul?
Did you start picking on the wrong end?
Pipping? I need this. I need something. Oh, I got it. Never mind.
He's dead.
No, he's not. He's fine. Look how big that leg is.
Yeah.
See? And they're just so stuffed in there.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
That's it. Oh, he's already off.
Well, hello.
Good
Well,
God, how they
hello.
fit in there?
I know, Bobby. That's what we're telling people.
Oh,
You just don't understand it until you see it. And you got to get them out as fast as you can.
It's pretty well all gone.
The only part of the membrane you can break is the top part first to see if it's
boy,
ready.
his eyes open already.
Yeah. He'll be walking in an hour.
Oh yeah, he's ready to rock and roll. It's amazing. Yeah, it's pretty well all gone, honey.
He'll be dry.
All ate up.
Yeah, good. That's what you want. Now, see, you don't want... He's caught in it. He's probably cold, too.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting back down to eat.
Oh, hi there.
Now you see why we lost so many of them?
Hi.
Leaving them alone.
Yep.
They couldn't get out.
They couldn't get out, and they're so big.
Gosh. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
How in the heck did that thing fit inside of that shell?
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
That's why we've lost so many. Paul and I had to figure it out,
Oh.
boy. There. He's cold.
Goodness.
You ever get back down there?
That's the umbilical cord. You
Oh.
don't want to rip that out of the belly yet. It
Oh.
has to dry. Yeah, I gotta put him back in the incubator, Bob.
Okay, don't drop them. Oh!
You coming down?
I don't know. I'm too nervous.
I know, it's nerve-wracking.
Oh!
Honey, just put it in your hand.
No. Yeah. Hear it?
Yeah. Good Lord. There he is, back in the nursery. He's breathing. Linda has another chicken, another granddaughter or grandson.
Oh, hello. Watch him dance. He's so excited. Yes, he does. There will be 4 more eggs today. I gotta get this.
Gosh.
They took it right from that hen. They went in after her.
Gosh.
They're so fast, Bob.
I guess so.
They're like lightning.
That's something. So what are they doing in there? What's in there?
That's their brooding pen. It's really nice and hot and warm in there.
Oh.
It's like 100 degrees in there. And it's 63 out here. Okay, they'll come out in a minute. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Okay, back up here, Bobby. Back up. So we can get them. I usually don't give them bread, only once a week.
Oh, that's funny.
But I wanted you to see them.
Oh, yeah.
In play.
Now, so what's up here? They go up in those nesting boxes?
Yep,
Or?
there should be an egg up there right now if you look in it.
Oh, there is.
No, one's fake,
Oh.
but there should be a real one.
I see one.
She might not have laid last night. She doesn't lay every day.
Unless it's in that last one.
Nope. She'll probably lay sometime today.
Huh. There's the new baby. How old is he, an hour?
Probably. He's already trying to walk.
Yep. Raise your head there, little chicken.
There he is.
Wow.
Yep. Already walking.
Huh. Isn't that something? About an hour old.